Time to get out, guys, and get some exercise. Try and appreciate the sun as much as possible. Hope you're all keeping well and safe. How thankful am I to have my bike. If anything, this virus has brought, this pandemic has brought us all, it's definitely going to make us a lot fitter. Got my camera on the moment on auto exposure, so I do apologise if it gets a little bit light now and then, because with all the sun and the fact that it's attached to my bike, my camera's attached to my bike, I can't put filters on the lens, as you can appreciate. With all the jiggling of the bike, they're not likely to fall off and I lose them. So I do apologise if now and then it gets a little bit light. Anyway, as usual, I thought I would share my bike ride with you. Taking a different journey out of Woodbridge now, the opposite direction, out towards Aldershot. Another beautiful day. You know, the amount of people I see on their bikes and they don't have helmets on, I don't understand it, to be truthful. People are so worried about a fashion statement. What about protecting your head if you fall over? I have my reflector cycle jacket on and people do a double take. They look round at me, I think they think I'm a policeman on a bicycle.
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors,
More hill.
only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors lost within a haze. Don't rely on
You'll hear me
others
huffing and puffing now.
to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for
It'll be easier coming back, that's for sure.
Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore.
Sorry about that, guys, trying to get my breath back. I think I'm gradually getting fitter. I suppose the more you do it, the better you get. I know you might be thinking, well, he's got an e-bike. Well, I tell you, you still have to pedal. It's only pedal assisted, and it's only as much as you actually switch it on or what level you put it on. So I do try to do a little bit of effort. No helmet, no reflector jacket. I don't know what people's all about. I really don't get it. Maybe I'm too cautious. I never follow the crowd anyway. I do it what I feel is right for me. And that's it, I suppose. Everybody to their own. Well, as I said earlier, another cycle video. Morning. It's just to share with you guys, and for my mum and dad, I love you and I hope you're staying safe. Morning. He looked a bit tired. Birds are singing. As I said before, you hear and see so much more walking or cycling. If you can, get yourself a bike if you haven't already got one. And if you got one, what's your excuse? Get out there. Do your hour exercise. The footpath that's shown there, right across the farmer's field. So the farmer's obviously just ploughed through. Okay. So this route is taking us out the backs the left hand side of Meltisham, and if I look over to my right, not that you can see it, is the BT tower, the BT building. I believe, I'm not 100% certain, but I believe I think it's all to do with innovation of British Telecom, but I think that's what it originally was. I'm not 100% certain what it does now. The caravan park on the right, coming up. On it. The Moon and Sixpence caravan park, all closed to business. Here we go, bit of a hill.
There are a lot of voices drowning in the sea. There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many choices making me afraid. Dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore. Why you're
Sorry about that, guys. My memory card ran out, so I had to do a quick swap. So anyway, off we go again.
the open sea. Cannot take this
See how far we get with this one.
The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore. While you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore.
Morning. The wind turbines aren't turning. Not a lot of wind, I guess. But they are turning slowly. I'll turn the corner and you can see them.
The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore. While you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. A certain shade of blue will always remind me of you.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed that short bike ride. I know I did. All I'm going to say is stay safe and keep well and keep the exercise up and morale. We'll all get there in the end. Anyway, see you on the next video. Bye for now.